Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's take a look at some stocks on the move today. I'm Tom Keene with Paul Sweeney and Bloomberg's John Tucker. It's a moonshot and needs to be discussed on our Stock Movers with John Tucker.
It's
John.
Armonk, New York-based IBM, investing in a startup you know as Anthropic. Who's Anthropic? They're the guys behind Claude. Who's Claude? Who's Claude? That's the family of large language models.
It's AI.
I'm going to try to explain this. IBM's AI-first integrated development environment is a tool for helping programmers code, so they're going to incorporate Claude. It's available to more than 6,000 early adopters, AI models from Anthropic. It's eventually going to be used in other IBM offerings as well. Now, one of the most promising cases for AI is so-called vibe coding. This uses AI-powered tools to make software development more efficient, and it allows laymen like Armonk resident Johnny Depp to try their hand at programming. And of course, AI has already changed the way that programmers do their jobs. I would argue, I know somebody here at Bloomberg LP, whose name happens to be above the entrance, who swears that programmers, only the best ones, are going to have jobs. Everybody else is going to be replaced by AI.
Do you realize this Stock Movers is coming from someone who has an iPhone 5, I think 2013?
A BlackBerry. Yeah. By the way, Anthropic, they raised money, so the valuation for this company, $183 billion. Investors have been looking for partnerships.
Do you continue with technology here?
Yeah. Well, no, let me do. Yeah. Okay. AMD, they have not yet run out of rocket fuel today. Most active.
Really?
They landed that blockbuster deal with OpenAI to build AI infrastructure. So that gives the chipmaker a chance to show it can mount a challenge to, like, NVIDIA. AMD, after Monday's pop, was worth $330.6 billion. Just for comparison's sake, that's more than the value of Coca-Cola. That's more than General Electric or Chevron. OpenAI will deploy 6 gigawatts worth of AMD graphics processing units, according to the pack. This is over a number of years. It's just over half the size of an agreement with the AI startup recently reached with NVIDIA. Also sets the stage for OpenAI to acquire a large stake in the chip maker. And we'll wrap up. Finally, we have to go
non-tech?
Yeah, well, it's stuff that's eventually used to build tech.
Well, thank you.
So we have to go to Vancouver, British Columbia for this one. And it also has connections to Alaska because that's where they do all this stuff. This is the resource company, Trilogy Metals. The government taking a 10% stake in the company, exploring in Alaska for copper and other critical metals. Trilogy's U.S. Listed shares are TMQ. It's reminiscent of the earlier agreement for the U.S. to buy as much as 15% of the rare earths producer MP Materials, all part of a $35 million investment to secure critical energy and mining projects in Alaska.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.